So this is the Honeymoon one-bedroom concierge suite at Beaches Turks and Caicos. It's an example of one of the rooms. This is room 618. When you first walk in, you walk straight ahead and you walk into a bedroom that has a king-size bed. It does have a nightstand on either side, as well as a wing-back chair, and then it also has shelves to store things, as well as the closet. And then there is, at the end of the bed, a little seating ottoman area for you to get dressed. There's a television with a dresser. The closet has lights that come on automatically. There is always a luggage rack, and then of course the safe where you set your own key. The nice thing about this safe is that it does fit a laptop that is 17 inches, which is rather nice to have. Many hotels have much smaller ones. There are hangers available, as well as, because this is a concierge level room, there are robes, 2 robes in the room. There is additional bedding of blankets and pillows as well that are located in the closet, and the laundry if you wish to have laundry service done. That is an extra charge. The bedroom does have a door that closes, which is nice for privacy. And then as you come out, you have the bathroom, and the bathroom does have 2 sets of sinks along with additional storage here. There is, because it is Honeymoon, a lovely tub, and again, more room here. And then there is a walk-in shower that is a rain shower, or sort of a rain shower. And then there is the water closet as well. As with all beaches rooms, you do have your shampoo, your conditioner, your lotion, and your body cleanser, as well as plenty of towels. They will bring you extra if you need. And there is a hair dryer as well as hand soap. This is a full-size hair dryer, which is nice rather than some of the mini ones you find in many hotels. Then as you head up, you've got your magnifying mirror for ladies who need to see things a little bit more closely. And then you come out into the sitting area where you've got your umbrellas to use on resort in case you have a little Caribbean sunshine. And then you also have a little cafe bar that has your coffees and teas to enjoy in the morning if you don't want to get something elsewhere. Plus you have your microwave as well as your drinks as needed. Then down below you will have your refrigerator. The refrigerator is always stocked with plenty of water and juice and tonic. Because this is a concierge room, you will also get your choice of 1 bottle of alcohol and wine. The other side doesn't really have anything. It's just a place to store things in the underside of the sink. There is a sink so that you can go ahead and wash or rinse out any glasses. There is also the ice bucket so you can get cold drinks if you like. Coming through a little bit further, you have another television in the sitting area, as well as your entertainment center. And then coming back through, this is where you have room for more people to sleep. This is a trundle bed. That is an actually very comfortable mattress that is underneath the cover, and then the bottom part slides out. These are both full twin size beds, and there's enough space in here. You can actually move the twin size bed further out into the room so that you don't have to be crawling over each other. The other feature in this room is that there is a little table and chairs. So again, if you want to sit and have a little something to eat or a snack, it's easy to do so. You are going to have a patio outside, and this patio is a pretty decent size. You've got a nice sitting area that includes a bench, as well as a lounge chair, another chair to sit, your drying rack for swimsuits, etc., and then a chair with 4 chairs and table, which is perfect for playing games in the evening or sitting out to enjoy coffee in the morning if someone wakes up before other people. It really is a lovely area. And again, this is room 618, and you can just get a sense of what the view is from out here. You are looking out the room. This is Schooner's restaurant right there, and then these are other rooms as you continue around. Any questions? Let me know.